In this rapidly changing world due to digital transformation and global compete, the University of Ubudiyah Indonesia should be a higher education institution that continue to mold excellent, adaptive, innovative generation. In light of these developments, UUI rolled out this objective to be a modern technology-based university with global concern. It is a crossroad of a long-term strategic direction that over the next decade, Sustainable University 2035 can be realized by the University of Ubudiyah Indonesia in nurturing its vision through commitment to academic quality, technological upgrading, contribution to society, and environmental preservation. Realizing the strong vision of institutional led by Professor Dr. Hajah Prof. Ejang Marniati SAMKes as the Executive Board Foundation of Ubudiyah and under the leadership of Rector UUI Dr. Mukyawati SPD MPD. UUI has made a series of strategic acquisitions at the national level. UUI has achieved and recognition as the only private university in Aceh to receive the Ministry of Higher Education Award for Best Government and NGO Collaboration. In silver winner categories at the Dikti Saintek Award 2025 for excellence in industry collaboration, underscoring UUI strengths in sustainable partnership. With an excellent governance, UUI upholds strong institutional values through the implementation of anti-corruption, anti-intolerance, anti-bullying, anti-sexual violence program. This commitment has earned recognition from the Higher Education Service Institution LLDT Region 13 and strengthened UUI's international partnership across Asia and Europe. Academic excellence system, the University of Ubudiyah Indonesia has the strong implementation of three pillars of higher education. The lecturer of UUI actively win the National Research Grant from the Ministry of Higher Education, Science and Technology, Kemendikti Saintek, and expand the most of international publications number. The students of UUI also have won numerous awards both national and international level. The University of Ubudiyah Indonesia has the best 15 study program or bachelor programs in public health, nutrition science, psychology, pharmacy, midwifery, diploma and professional midwifery, informatics, information system, architecture, primary teacher education, computer education, accounting, management, and law. As a tangible expression of the academic mission and sustainability vision within the framework of Sustainable University 2035, the University of Ubudiyah Indonesia plays an active role in disaster response across Sumatra through healthcare service, disaster mitigation education, and community assistance for affected population, reflecting its commitment to humanitarian service and social sustainability. UUI's commitment to public education and digital literacy is further strengthened with UB on TV as the first digital campus television station in Sumatra, serving as a platform for education, creative expression, and public engagement. This strategic role has led UUI to achieve third place for Best Public Relations Performance in LLDT Region 13 and to become the only private university in Aceh nominated for the Dikti Saintek Public Relations Award 2025. UUI has the modern facilities, experienced faculty, and international student mobility program. The University of Ubudiyah Indonesia continues to enhance graduate competitiveness and advance towards superior institutional accreditation. The University of Ubudiyah Indonesia reaffirms its position as a world-class cyber university because UUI is always leads.